can read in red. I can read in blue.
Elementary students across Trumbull County are celebrating the work of beloved children's author Dr. Seuss on what would have been his 114th birthday. Over 100 volunteers organized by the United Way of Trumbull County spent the day reading the book I Can Read with My Eyes Shut with students.
We're scheduled to be in 242 classrooms throughout the county, but of course with today's school closings, I'm not sure what the final number is going to be.
What do we say, boys and girls? Thank you.
The first stop was at Lordstown Elementary, where volunteers from Anderson DuBose read to kindergarten, first and second graders.
Can you guys do that?
Volunteers come from businesses, from retirees, from individuals who just have an interest in going in and sharing the love of reading with a kid.
Rich Zigorovich is the principal of Lordstown Elementary.
One thing we feel is really important, kids of all ages, is literature and being exposed, learning how to read. But we also think that it's great that we have community partnerships as well. We're very happy to have the United Way involved with our school. Anderson DuBose, who's a local business here in Lordstown, and I'm a big believer in building relationships with all aspects of the school.
In his lifetime, Dr. Seuss published over 60 children's books, known for their unique characters, moral lessons, and made-up words.
The nonsense words actually are kind of unique because we're teaching kids how to read using phonics-based lessons. You know what? Those nonsense words do play into that with kids.
Right.
So there's a lot of good stuff with Dr. Seuss, for sure.
United Way President Ginny Pasha says the day's events are part of the organization's Reading Great by 8 literacy initiative.
Designed to make sure kids are reading at grade level by grade 3. Trumbull County United Way focuses on 4 impact areas: income, education, health, and basic needs. And clearly this falls under the heading of education.
You know, the older they get, the more reading that's required. Right now in the primary grades, they're learning letters, sounds, words, building the comprehension. There's a whole process to that. But as they get older, there's more reading involved in all subjects. So, we've got a lot of reading levels of support here too. We have reading tutors that go in and make reading fun. That's the important thing, is we make it fun. And I think here at Lordstown, our teachers do an exceptional job in making it fun for their students.
717 has business banking on the go, mobile wallet, mobile deposit, mobile banking, and free e-business checking. 717 business banking on the go.